Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable Talkback mode on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Talkback mode can be disruptive for some smartphone users as the continuous spoken feedback may interfere with their navigation and interaction experience. Alright, the first step you need to do to exit Talkback mode is please swipe your device screen using two fingers. Okay, and then you can enter your passcode. Well, after that you can tap on the settings option and then you can double tap to open it. Okay, and then here you can scroll the screen using two fingers like this. Okay, after that you can tap on accessibility option and then you can double tap to open it. Okay, after that, here you can tap on the Talkback option. After that, double tap to open it. Okay, and then in this page, you can switch off the Talkback mode by pressing this button. After that, you can double click on it. After that, click turn off. After that, you can double click on it. Okay, and then the Talkback mode on your device is successfully turned off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Talkback mode on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.